Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Marvin. Moving on to today's video. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Jamaica Young Police channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, please consider subscribing. Remember to, when you subscribe, click on the bell and select all, so whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video, you'll be the first to receive notification. Those of you who have been a member of the channel for years and you are not receiving any notification, please unsubscribe and subscribe again and select all. Remember, if you're using your phone or a tablet or any device, once you like the video, it's going to pop up and say to hype. So hype the video. Like and hype the video. Share the video with your friend, your girlfriend, boyfriend, side chick, side man, mama, papa, friend, colleague, neighbor, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. As over here, it's not an entertainment channel. And thank you for joining me for part 2 of this 7-part investigative documentary about this man, Marvin Edgar, the scammer and deportee from the United States of America. If you watch part 1, you already know that this story is much more than about one person or one transaction. It is about understanding how people can be persuaded to make life-changing financial decisions, and more importantly, how all of us can better protect ourselves and our loved ones from becoming victims of fraud. Before we continue, I want to explain why this investigation has been divided into 7 parts. At the Jamaica Young Police channel, we pay close attention to our audience analytics. The data consistently shows that many viewers do not watch extremely long videos from beginning to it to end. When that happens, they often miss most important evidence, interviews, timelines and lessons. Rather than rushing through this investigation in one lengthy presentation, you're hearing from the victim herself. We're not here to laugh at anyone, chastise anyone or condemn anyone. That's why we tell us over here is an educational channel. I have chosen to present it in a structured series that allows us to examine each stage carefully, review the available information, and give us time to observe what you are about to see and hear. This isn't a movie. This isn't entertainment. This is an educational investigation designed to help people recognize warning signs before they make financial decisions that may later regret. If you want to watch the entire 7-part series immediately without waiting for the public releases, you can join the Patreon squad today by clicking the Patreon link in the description box below. I would say before, if you live in the United States, Canada, England, although people from Jamaica and other parts of the world, Europe, even people from Africa subscribe to the Patreon. In Patreon, you'll see videos. And we're writing a book, and there's a 10-part series there. That's over 10 hours of information. You're going to hear yours truly talking with one of our best and brightest over there for 10 hours. So you can check it out at Patreon. Our Patreon members receive early access to full investigations, exclusive content, and behind-the-scenes discussions. Your support also helps us continue researching documents, interviewing witnesses, and producing independent investigative content for this channel. To every member of the Patreon squad, thank you. Your support allows this work to continue. Now, as we begin part 2, I encourage you to listen carefully, not simply to what is being said, but how decisions were made. Ask yourself, what questions should have been asked? What claims should have been independently verified? What warning signs might have been overlooked? These are not just questions about one case. They are questions that could help protect anyone from becoming the next victim of a sophisticated scam. As always, remember that throughout the series, we distinguish between documented facts, first-hand accounts, and allegations that have not been proven in court. Our goal is not to rush to conclusions, but to examine the available information carefully and encourage critical thinking. So settle in, take notes if you need to, and let's continue this investigation together. This is part 2 of our 7-part series. And before we begin, before moving on, just please type and tell us where you're watching this video from. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Part 2 of the 7-part series. Inside for her.
I don't know she get her here. Our parents is in Lindsay, Jamaica. I don't know how she get here. I don't know if
you have any photograph of her?
Yeah, a photograph. Yeah, she on Facebook. She's my friend. She's
on Facebook.
She on Facebook. She on WhatsApp. She on social media.
Okay, alright. Just forward that thing to me. You understand what I'm saying? Because I was listening to you in a conversation about her in which you have stated that since although I'm kind of fast forward, since you have given this man your money, you have never ever you're not able to get her anymore.
Well, it's not that clear like that. Mm-hmm. When she told me. Mm-hmm. She gave Marvin money. She said she gave Marvin $1 million Jamaican dollars when she was in Jamaica. Mm-hmm. And when she came back to America, she gave Marvin $10,000. That's what she gave me. She never showed me any receipt. She never showed me like, oh, I have my check copy out there. She never showed me a check copy. Mm-hmm. She never. Mm-hmm. And she was asked. She was asked to show her document and she refused. And when we gave Marvin money, December 2024, and Marvin said, December 2025, when I told Marvin this is not going the way how I expect it to go.
Okay, before you reach the part to the money now, so you were talking to him on the phone, and what was his proposal to you? Or he was able to win your trust?
It mostly goes through Rita.
So but I'm asking you. No. I'm not. We soon reach to her. What was the conversation that you had with the night that you were talking to him on the phone?
Well, it's not one conversation. Marvin, Rita, told me about Marvin. Marvin have a Telegram. It's like WhatsApp. Mm-hmm. So Rita said we had to join the Telegram. So Rita gave me the Telegram and helped me to put it on my phone. And when I put it on my phone, Marvin did have this class what he said, he's gonna teach you to how to invest in crypto. So you have we go on the class every 7 o'clock, every evening 7 o'clock, and we listen to him tell you how you're gonna do crypto and show you how to. You have a lady who was the secretary, and she used to tell us how to do the coin thing. So it starts from there. So when we decide, and Rita, we will decide, he did have a coin, J-Dodge, where he launched on the apps this January the 5th, the Sunday night. He launched that J-Dodge coin. And I was watching that coin on the market. A lot of Jamaican was on the app, was buying that coin. You know, Jamaican, they put a $10 or $20 or $50, and you know it was going up. It go as far as 9,000. I think it was 999 the night when I was going to bed, and when I woke up the morning, it went back to $20. A lot of people was pulling out their money, and the coin is still there, but they changed the name. Sometime they changed the name. So I even bought it. I gave Marvin. I transfer. I think it was $300 the same night for Marvin to buy, put it on the coin, and I didn't know where the money go that night or where it is. Marvin sent me 700 and some 700. I don't know how much it is. He said that is what is value. I don't know the value. I don't know nothing about crypto. So I don't know where the $300 went. So that was it. So when I was speaking to Marvin about the money what I'm going to give him to invest in the crypto, he told me he have a partner in America, in Georgia, by the name of Kurt Booth.
What's his name? Kurt Booth?
Kirk Booth. Kirk Booth is the one who has the LLC. So I think Marvin is the one who get the customers, and then he sent the money to Booth, and Booth bought the coin. You know, I told them it's scam, so I just gonna listen to what they said. I don't know if it's truth or it's lie. So in my money, when I sent my money to Marvin.
Okay. Wait. Let me ask you now. So, you reached the point where you sending money to Marvin? What happened? What kind of conversation you had with him? Why you send your money to him? Because you have to reach this point now where you had established trust, where you believe what he's selling, and you're gonna buy it. That's why you don't know this man. You have never met him. You don't know him personally. You were introduced to him by your nephew, girlfriend, right?
Yes.
Okay, so based on that now, you trust her, and you trust her because she's with your nephew, and you trust what she's telling you. So you went ahead and you had a conversation with this man now, and what he told you about your money when you were about to give it to him.
He told me when I gave him, he said, when I gave him my money, he's gonna invest it in crypto coin. And he said, now, he said Trump gonna win. Trump never inaugurate yet. He said Trump win, and Trump going to, one time he said to me, Trump gonna change out the US dollars into crypto coin.
And hold on. And before you go any further, and you're an American citizen, right? And he's telling you that Donald Trump was going to get rid of the American dollar and turn it to crypto. Okay, let me ask you this now. Did you any of this information? Did you read it or heard it from any reputable news outlet in America?
No, I didn't.
Okay, let's listen what I'm saying. I'm asking you. Did you hear it? Did you read it or heard it from any reputable news media outlet in America? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, another thing I'm going to ask you. Do you know if this man working in the White House or have any contact in the White House or in Congress?
No. No.
So why you buy that when him say that? That's supposed to send you a red flag because you live in America. Is Marvin Edgar is he an American citizen?
No, he said when.
No. I hear what you say. I'm asking. Is Marvin is he a U.S. citizen?
No.
Is he a resident?
No, he's not.
Okay, so he lives in Jamaica and you live in America, and you let somebody in Jamaica tell you what is going to happen in your country, and there's no information out there about it. So why you buy that from him, that pussy bag from him? Tell me what reason you believe this man.
You know, your Marvin is really it's like you put the Rita in front of Marvin, because Rita come to me.
No, man. Just listen to the question I'm asking. Just answer the question that I'm asking you. I'm asking you why you believe this man over what he's telling you. You live in America, he live in Jamaica, and he's telling you this, and you weren't thinking where is he get his information from. That's why I'm asking you why you believe him. Why you believe him at that point when he told you that he's telling you that Donald Trump is gonna get rid of the dollar and bring in crypto, and there's nothing in the media over here in America, and you believe him. That's why I'm asking you why you believe him.
I don't know nothing about crypto. I really don't. I wasn't listening to crypto, nothing. I don't listen to crypto on the radio nor nothing. I don't know nothing about crypto.
Let me ask you. Do you have children or relatives here?
I have family all around.
Okay, so did you talk?
Different countries.
Okay, so did you talk to anyone, any of your family living in America about this, or you keep it as a secret?
No, I didn't. I didn't tell nobody. I'm just saying me. I'm a person that I don't discuss nothing of my. I'm a very private person. I don't discuss nothing.
Well, that's why it's good. It's good
to family or nothing.
Well, it's good to socialize. You understand what I'm saying? And it's good to network, because if you were talking to somebody about that who is knowledgeable, who love to read and know what's going on in what is happening right now, you would know that what is happening. That's everything right there is lying. That's why I'm asking you why you believe him.
I don't really talk a lot.
Okay, let me ask you now. All right, so the main reason why you believe him is because it's Rita Barnes, that is your nephew, girlfriend. So you believe that because you know her, you believe that she has your interest at heart, right?
Yes, because she's in Jamaica like every 3 months. She's always down there.
Okay, so what kind of work she does here in America?
She's an healthcare worker, just like me.
So how she does Jamaica every 3 months?
Approximately every 3 months. I don't know, but I don't know what situation she and Marvin into, because something is not right.
So let me ask you. She has a green card or no? Or you don't know?
She's a citizen.
She's an American citizen.
Mm-hmm.
But she cannot travel to England.
I don't know what's going on over there. I didn't ask some question.
Okay, well, all right. So you're one of those Jamaicans where when you fly, you just fly blind and them thing there. I say you're one of those Jamaicans when you fly blind. You don't ask questions.
Yeah. For instance, you know what? Sometimes when you're trusting a person because they're close to you, but sometimes the person who close to you is that person who damage you. That person who close to you, that is the person who you're supposed to stay far from. But it's all about, because this. So
you're saying that you're saying that because you trust Rita, that's why you didn't have any second thoughts about Marvin. That's your argument.
Yeah.
Okay.
she goes to me and she said she's going to go in business with him. And I said, okay, we planning to invest something. So she said she's going to invest with him. So I said, okay, if she trusts him enough to invest with him, and I trust her as a family member, I'm going to go ahead. That is the bottom line why I start this business with Marvin, because I don't know Marvin. I just don't know Marvin. I never met him and go speak to him over the phone. You know, everything what I know about him is Rita. Rita is the one who, something not right with Rita. Rita is the one who gave me, Rita never gave me Marvin. She said she know Marvin and going into business with Marvin, but how I get to Marvin, Rita gave me Andrea Steven number.
Oh, that's a
Gloria.
Okay, that's the rear admiral guy.
Andre Steven is the one.
Yeah, man, you're talking the Timon and them thing. The guy that cock up in batting at the ear and take it like a girl.
I don't know. You have a radio station. What is this?
You have a YouTube channel. So you don't know. Okay, so Rita gave you the number of Andrea Stevens.
Rita gave me Andre Steven number. She said, call this number and get Marvin number. So I called Andre Steven. I never called him before. When I called Andre Steven and he answered the phone, he said, hello. I thought it was a woman answering. I was up like 3 seconds before I say anything.
Yes.
He said, it's Andre. And I said, I called to get Marvin number, and he gave me Marvin number. That was the only time I and Andre speak.
Okay, so let me ask you, that was before you give him your money or after you give him your money?
That was before I get Marvin number, so I can give him the number before I get the money.
Yes,
Rita gave me Andre and Marvin number. Rita gave me Andre number. I called Andre. Andre gave me Marvin number.
Okay, but hold on. So listen to me now. Where the red flag supposed to come up. Remember that Rita is with your nephew. She's with your nephew. You understand? And by her, she's with your nephew. And Rita, did not give you the number for Marvin. You have to call somebody who you don't know, which is Andre Stevens. The guy that you say call and you thought it was a woman. He's not a woman, he's a man. You know men that behave like women, that's the kind of guy that he is. And he will tell you that he take it like a girl. You know what I mean by that?
Yeah, I saw him. I saw him. I watched him and listened to him sometime after all this go down. So
when you call him, how he came by to give you the number? What happened?
I called him and told him that I'm calling. The reason why I'm calling is because I need Marvin number, and he didn't ask me any question or anything. He just gave me Marvin number.
Oh, okay. So he and Marvin they are friends then, man. For him to have Marvin number.
Yeah, because Marvin is on his platform. Marvin went to promote his business.
What this year? Oh, okay. So Andre Steve is a part of the scamming too.
I don't know if he's a part of the scamming. I'm going to know that he gave me Marvin number.
Okay, because unless he has a disclaimer on his channel, you know what I'm saying? Because that would be promote. You cannot promote something, and well, he must know still, because I know that he's not stupid still. Although I know that he's a liar, you know.
About it, he went on his platform. Marvin went on Andre's platform and speak about his crypto, and I think he told Andres and Marvin told him that whenever anyone came and asked for his number, he can give them his number because he was on the platform talking about his crypto. So he gave whenever anyone called him, he would ask for Marvin number. He would give the person Marvin number. But and Marvin never gave me any information of himself. Rita is the one who gave me Marvin bank information.
Okay, hold on. Okay. So you got Marvin number and you called him now. You call Marvin, right? What you call him on WhatsApp or you call him straight?
WhatsApp. That's a WhatsApp number I got.
Okay, so when you call the number now, what was the discussion about? What did you reintroduce yourself to him or what?
Yeah, I told him I'm Gloria. I'm living in New York, and I heard about his business, what he's doing, and he explained to me and told me he have a crypto business
in Jamaica.
He have a crypto business, and he exchanged crypto. People gave him money, and he exchanged crypto and make commission on their money. And he charged $35.
He makes commission off the money for what?
He used person money and buy. If you gave him money, he will use your money and invest in the crypto. And when he make money, use your money, he charge you. He say he charge $35 out of every $100. 35 cents out of every dollar.
35 cents out of dollars.
35 cents out of every dollar. So it's.
Yeah, so we have come to the end of part 2 of this 7-part series. I hope you are enjoying the series so far. I was stated before and will continue to say again, Over Here is not an entertainment channel. Hope you're enjoying the series. Part 3 will be released same time tomorrow. As I stated before and I'll say again, if you do not want to wait for it to be released publicly, you can join Patreon. And once you join Patreon, you'll have access to unlimited amount of videos over there. Videos that cannot be posted to YouTube due to 1 and 2 little things. So that's why we keep it over there. It costs less than a quarter to become a member of the Patreon squad. Yeah, 25 cents. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel, out.